In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a PowerPoint presentation with your face. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your slides, your voice, and your webcam in one polished video you can share anywhere. Start by opening your presentation in PowerPoint and making sure your webcam and microphone are connected and recognized by your computer. Close any noisy apps, silence notifications, and do a quick check that your room is quiet and well lit. Soft, front-facing light helps your video look clear, and placing the webcam near eye level makes your delivery feel natural. In the latest versions of PowerPoint, look for the Record tab at the top. If you don't see it, go to the Slideshow tab and choose Record. This opens the recording studio. You'll see previews of your slides, along with camera and microphone controls. Turn on your camera and mic. Then use the Settings menu to pick the correct devices if you have more than one. Say a few words to confirm your mic levels aren't peaking, and adjust your input volume if needed. Position the camera preview so it doesn't cover important content. You can drag it to a corner and resize it to keep it visible but unobtrusive. If background effects are available, choose a light blur to keep the focus on you without distracting details. When you're ready, start recording. Speak clearly and advance through your slides as you normally would. You can use the on-screen pen, highlighter, or laser pointer to emphasize key points. If you make a mistake, pause, take a breath, and continue. You can re-record that slide afterward. Use the navigation arrows to move between slides, and keep an eye on your pacing. Short, focused explanations tend to work best. When you stop, PowerPoint saves your narration and camera video per slide. Play back a few slides to review audio quality and framing. If something isn't right on a specific slide, select that slide and record again just for that section, rather than starting over. To share your presentation as a video, go to File, Export, and choose Create a Video. Make sure the option to use recorded timings and narrations is selected. Pick a resolution that suits your needs and create the file. Save it to a convenient location and wait for the export to finish. That's it. With these steps, you'll have a clean, face-on recording of your PowerPoint that's ready for classes, clients, or your team.